How to dispute a review in Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can dispute a review on Airbnb. Now, before getting into how you can dispute, let's get into how the policy or how it works. Now, let's say a guest smokes in your home against your house rules. You tell your guest that you found cigarette butts in the living room and submit a reimbursement request for deep cleaning. In response, your guest refuses to pay and leaves an angry review. Now, you can dispute this review and they'll investigate. The Airbnb will investigate to determine if it qualifies for removal. This is the kind of policy. Now, how you can dispute a review? Well, disputing a review doesn't guarantee it will be removed. When you dispute a review, Airbnb will ask you to provide evidence such as photos or message threads with guests. Now, your evidence will need to demonstrate that a serious policy violation happened. It must be clear that reporting the policy violation to Airbnb and or the guest likely led to the retaliatory review. Now, well, how you can do it, right? You can open up your Airbnb property details, and there, if you have the review right there, you'll be able to see your review. You're gonna simply tap on it and you'll be able to dispute it. It's quite easy, right? However, you'll need to have a proper violation of rules committed by the reviewer and evidence against them as well. So, hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.